Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Don't even get me started on people paying $3 grand a month to rent a Tesla. I mean, that's almost spending $40,000 a year just to rent one of these stupid things. The car's glitching half the time, it's overheating, you're running out of battery. Gosh, I hate Tesla.
I love my Tessie. But I mean, to each their own.
I'm just kidding. I just don't think it's worth spending $3 grand a month on one of these things.
Oh no, I don't think it is either.
Yeah.
What would happen if Brian Marriott is elected to Congress?
Okay, so we're watching this exclusive video about Teslas for Uber. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but we're gonna check it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today,
Hi guys.
we are in a Tesla, and we wanted to see if Teslas are the best cars for Uber drivers.
Yeah. So basically, hold on to your drink because I'm gonna accelerate right now. I'm gonna go fast.
No, I'm just gonna drop.
But yeah, what do you think about the car? What are you drinking there? What is that? It's a green. What is that?
It's an iced matcha latte with coconut milk.
Iced matcha latte with coconut milk? What is this? Don't drink that anymore.
Why?
That's not a good drink.
Yeah, it is.
Drink black coffee.
Oh, caffeine, like coffee has too much caffeine for me. I have to get decaf.
So you get a soy chocolate latte with matcha? So okay. Basically, hold on to your drink because I'm gonna accelerate. Well, you're not even driving this car. It's just me driving.
Is that like a regular amount?
4,000 trips? Yeah.
$1 and...
Can we film another video with me driving?
Yeah, where's that one at? Let's pull that one up. Guys, guys, I'm sorry guys. I know we're getting a little off topic here, but this is... we want to show Izzy taking her first Tesla ride. That's just one you talking about it. Who cares about that? I want to see you driving that car.
I don't know if you ever uploaded it.
Did I not?
I don't think so.
Maybe I didn't. Tesla car review. Gosh, I've made so many videos about the Tesla. It's hard, like. What about this one? This new affordable car looks like a smart car or something.
Oh yeah.
That one only got 200 views, Izzy. You need better topics. I'm just kidding. Okay, I can't find that video, but it's okay. But did you?
Hey guys,
you like the Tesla?
Yeah. I mean, it has its pros and cons.
Yeah, well, you could make maybe an extra like $1,000 to $4,000 a year.
Yeah.
If you have an electric vehicle, so.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut to the clip of you driving for the first time. Oh, and I never did that. Maybe we should just make it into 2 different videos. This is how it ends? Okay, guys, thanks for watching today's video. In summary, yeah, this is a good car. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it depends.
Great.
Yeah.
We did a great review on that one, guys.